Hello everyone. Today's video will be concise and highly practical. Thanks to the no-code settings of the MicroF1 admin panel, you can create your own credit products independently, without developers, without unnecessary delays, and in just a few simple steps. In the Loan Products section of the admin panel, you can see the full list of credit products, their activity status, and all configured parameters. But the real highlight of our platform is this. Creating a new credit product doesn't require developers or any technical specialists. Everything is configured through an intuitive no-code builder, allowing you to manage the entire lending business logic as easily as filling out a simple form. All parameters, from interest rates and fees to the rules for calculating contractually obligated payments, can be configured through a convenient interface in just a few clicks. For example, in the Main tab, one of the first things worth noting is the Payment Distribution Order block. This is one of the key elements of a credit product, as it defines the logic of how payments are automatically distributed when the loan is repaid. In this list, you manually define the payment priority, which operates fully automatically. The system independently allocates each client payment according to the specified rules, minimizing the risk of errors and simplifying the financial control process. These same values can also be used inside your document template engine, automatically inserted into the agreement, payment schedule, or any additional documents. This ensures full legal accuracy and complete alignment with the configured credit product. The default amount for slider defines the increment by which the loan amount changes on the slider in the borrower portal. The slider automatically adjusts to the conditions of the selected product. The interest section allows you to fine-tune the dynamics of your interest rate, both under standard lending conditions and in cases of delinquency. A particularly important feature here is the floating interest rate, which enables you to set different percentage values depending on how many days the client has been using the loan. The penalty and fine tabs play a crucial role in precisely configuring the risk management policy of your credit product. This is where the logic of financial responsibility in case of overdue payments is defined, from interest rates to limits and grace periods without penalties. These settings allow your company to carefully balance customer loyalty with the need to protect your financial interests. The Services tab is one of the key tools in the Credit Product Builder. This is where all fees are configured, the elements that shape your company's financial model. 15 types of fees are available for free combination, modification, and simultaneous use, fully aligned with your rules and lending logic. Each fee type comes with its own formulas, minimum and maximum amounts, and daily or periodic accrual settings, allowing you to precisely define your business logic without writing a single line of code. For example, the usage fee. It allows you to set a daily accrual calculated from the initial loan principal. At the same time, you can flexibly define different interest rates for different ranges. This gives you the ability to build a completely unique monetization model, one that is fully adapted to your audience segment, risk level, and the specific conditions of each credit product. The Extension tab allows you to flexibly configure the rules for extending a loan without changing the core terms of the agreement. You decide when the client can extend the term, what amount needs to be paid, and under what conditions the extension becomes available, whether in a classic format or with interest paid in advance. The Mandatory Payments tab allows you to predefine the full structure of mandatory payments the client must make throughout the loan term. You configure the periods, interest rates, calculation types, payment priorities, and accrual rules, and the system automatically builds an accurate financial model of the product. All mandatory payments are automatically included in the loan agreement. This means you only need to configure these periods once, and MicroF1 will continue generating legally accurate documents that fully reflect your terms, timelines, and calculations. MicroF1 is the technology that empowers your credit products to operate exactly the way your business envisions. And everything you've seen in this video underscores one essential idea. MicroF1 effortlessly reveals your flexibility, your rules, and your unique lending logic, bringing them together into streamlined business processes that run fully automatically, fast, precise, and professional. Subscribe, like the video. Join us and stay one step ahead.